Hey guys, welcome to another Lowland Kids Sew Along. Today we are doing the new Lowland Kids Leo. Let's start off by cutting out our pattern pieces. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to do the new Leo. I am not doing the skirt version, so I have our bodice piece right over here. I cut the entire one piece like this. I have our sleeves right here. I'm doing the sleeves like this, and we have our leg binding and our neck binding. I'm gonna do bands, so let's get started. So since we are adding our bands, I'm going to place them like this, right sides together, and I'm going to sew one end, just sew right here. Okay, now we are going to take our neck binding and we're going to fold it in half like this. I couldn't find my clips, but I used some paper clips. So we're gonna start off with putting it at the very edge of one open side, and we're gonna clip it all around until we get to the other edge, just like you see me do here, all the way around. And we are going to sew that band all the way. So it's gonna look something like this once you add the band or binding. The back part where the V is a little bunched up, so I'm going to top stitch it so it can lay flat a bit better for me. And I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Now that we've done that, we're gonna close our other end of the shoulder. So now that we've done that, we are gonna open it up and we are going to attach our sleeves. And you're gonna grab your sleeve and you're gonna find the middle part of it. Once you find the middle part of it, you are gonna face it right sides to right sides with the shoulder part with the seam. So grab your middle piece, and when you find the middle, you're gonna attach it just like you see me do here. And the longer part of the sleeve should be facing you, not forward. And then we're just going to serge all this from one end all the way to the other end, all of that. Okay, so now that we've hemmed our sleeves, we are going to turn it wrong side out and we are going to close our sides shut. And we can add our leg bands if we want to right now, but I'm going to add the leg bands on the round. So I'm just going to put this together and sew from the top of the sleeve all the way to the bottom. Almost to the end point, so let's do our leg bands. We are just going to grab our leg band pieces and sew them together, and then we are going to sew the leg bands in the round. Now for the final reveal, guys. This was my first time doing the Leo, so let's see how it turned out.